Where's World? We need more CGC results videos. Love the one where you guys each revealed the grades. Been too long. I think the last was when Jeff was disappointed with the Showcase 36.5. Hope we get more. Thanks.
Why don't we fix that right now?
Boom.
Easy as that. Jeff, you brought a box.
I did bring a box.
Oh,
I
man.
just literally picked this up on the way here.
Yeah, we delayed the show a half hour. Sorry, Ryan, because he's got to get back. He's probably tired right now.
I'm always tired. It's okay.
Okay, what do we got?
There's so many slabs
I haven't
in
seen
here.
these yet. I haven't seen these, and I'm already excited. That's an ASM 14 right there.
Oh, man, I want to hold
Oh,
on.
you got a bunch of them. Okay, we got a. Oh wow. Okay, let's bust through them.
All right.
Lightning
let's do
round.
these.
Let's do it. Show me.
my
Show me.
goodness. Oh,
What
my
are we
goodness.
showing?
All right. We're going to just talk about some grade results and whatnot. Okay.
Crown Comics number 7, 6.5.
Classic Matt Baker cover. Cool book. It was raw. Bought it maybe about 2 months ago. Had it pegged around 6570. It has a front cover stain, some other stuff. Came back as expected. Presents beautifully. Really excited about that book.
Matt Baker, man, he's the best. What do we got?
Another Matt Baker. Okay, Fighting Marines. Unfortunately, I missed the color touch on this. It came back 8.5 with some slight color touch. Might have to have that removed. But it's a pretty book. Osa Matt Baker, Canteen Kate. Cool book. Next, Starling Comics number 53. Cool alien cover, 6.0. Presents again really nice, about what I expected just because it's got some funky things going on with it. Blackhawk 20. Classic cover. Bought an original owner collection of Blackhawks and modern comics, and this is one of the most sought after covers. Came back in 8.0, which is a really high grade for that book.
This is fun. Oh, man.
Yeah, check that out. That is amazing.
Hey,
Spider-Man.
I recognize this comic.
That's right.
I'm used to seeing a bunch of Sharpie all over it, but this one does not have any Sharpie on it.
This was not a love note or hate breakup copy. This is a 7.0.
Yeah, there's no Sharpie there.
Yeah, I pressed it. I could have pressed it better. I rushed the submission. I think it could go up to 7.5.
That was an
8.0 would be
ASM
crazy.
14.
Yeah,
Looking
ASM
good.
14.
There's another ASM 14 there?
Yeah, so this one was raw. This was a raw 5.045 copy. It had a detached top staple. It had an extra set of staples given to during production.
Ooh.
So it kind of caused issues, I think, of the staple to pop. Mikey Comics on Instagram, Mikey Halprin. We were at the show here in Chicago Wizard that just passed. And he's like, hey, I can help you there. And I was already going to do it. I was going to reattach that cover because there was enough meat there that you can loosen up the staple. At the show, literally.
This was detached?
That was attached to the top
Oh,
staple.
snap.
Loosens the staple.
Well done, Mikey.
Tucks the cover back in, pushes back the staple and cinches it.
And boom.
Boom. Fully attached cover again. 5.5. What is that? What's the page quality? White pages.
Nice.
Boom. This.
Oh, 2.5?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. I was there when he got this.
Yeah. Great Comics number 3. Ugh, absolute classic. Came back 2.5 just as expected. Structurally, it's a beautiful book, but a lot of cover loss because things just got scraped off, maybe a tape pull or what.
I literally have never seen so many dealers just look over a table so quickly, and I never forget it. The lady who owned the Golden Age comics, there's like 15 of them. She put them on the table, and you literally went like, you didn't even skip a beat, man. You went right for this book and grabbed it, and it was in your hand. And as you're looking at it, there was like 5 to 10 dealers hovering around you, just like, is he gonna put it down? Is he gonna put it down? Is he gonna put it down?
Golden ticket scenario, like when he found the last
For
golden
real,
ticket. Everyone
it was just like that. 2.5, dude. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. I'm
golden
excited about that
ticket.
book.
It just clicked in my head.
That's good. Golden ticket. Get it?
This.
Oh man. 8.0.
Yeah, Giant Size X-Men 1.
That's a
okay.
money beat right
8.0.
there.
This was a 6.5 PGX off-white.
Oh,
Okay.
snap.
Now it's an 8.0 white. I pressed it myself. This was actually raw when I got it with the label in the back of the bag and board. And I think it was probably more of a 5.5 by the time I got it because it wasn't kept very well. But just defects you can take out. And it came out great. 8.0 white. I'm super stoked about it.
Well done, man. This is a good mail call. Excited to see those. Are you putting those on your site?
Yeah, some of these are definitely going to go on the site for sure. And EliteComicSource.com. Check it out.